teach you some ways how to make thumbnails. So the first one is Canva, and I will show you now. Alright, so Canva is the first one. So like they give you like ideas you can use. So like these are some ideas. Sorry. So like they give you ideas you can use, and it's free to use, so you don't have to worry about it, but you gotta pay. If you see these pros, like you could use them, but they show a logo. So that's the only like one you could do, but they give you all like graphics. So I'm gonna make one right now and like show you how it looks. So I'll see you in a couple. Alright, so now I'm done with it, and this is how it looks. I hope you like the Canva one. So the second one is drawing. I'm going to use Procreate, so let me show you a speed draw right now. Alright, so this is the Procreate one. So I usually use I have one down, but I don't really know because I have my own YouTube one, so I can show you what it is so you can kind of know what it looks like. So let me go to it real quick. Alright, so this is the one is 16. It's 16610. So let me show you real quick. So this is the one. So you can like edit it and like change it, colors, like color profile, like that, and color, you can like make it a different color, but like if you want to do it, hide background, dimension, but you can name it like you have it named, so you can name it YouTube videos or YouTube thumbnails too, so like you know what it looks like. But I'm just gonna put YouTube for right now. So now like you have what it looks like, you go to here and you can make your thumbnail, so I will show you real quick. This is how it looks. I really like it, but that's all what I have for today. So I will see you next time, and